Okay, so number one mistake, whenever you were stepping, your free leg was moving too soon, like drifting. So whenever you did step back, the leg was drifting, and you did step forward, leg was drifting, and that's not a correct way of moving. So if you do a correct step, if your step, let's say, is not too small, not too big, you would always have to feel the place where you came from with your toe, right? So let's say if I change weight to the right, I feel that little point on the floor there. So if I'm going backward, I really have to feel that little point on the floor, and I'm sending my energy there, pressing there. Now, let's say if my step is complete and I wanna go, let's say, forward, I can slide a little bit to make steps bigger. But the back foot at this moment, you can finish it, but you don't wanna slide it. The same to the side. So the feet always stick to the floor, that free foot, until you completely finish. Then you can move it. Go forward, finish foot, and back. So the free leg shouldn't move for as long as possible, and that allow you to dance your body as you do it. So let's go through your choreography. Just focus only on this subject slowly. So you build up, going 2, 3, and 4. And so now your back foot here, this one, you should stay connected to that little spot. We call it nails, as long as you can. Now for you, Renee, you turn, still use that spot, and only then you move back. But as you move backward, step back, you have to still stay connected to this foot. For you, it will be the back foot. Now going forward, you can slide a little bit, finish that leg, still do not slide this leg, yes, and twist. Very good. Now, so for you, Renee, this place will be very important for you. Know what this? Go and 2. So you wanna stay connected to this foot here. Next one, and 30. Good, and going forward. So for you, Renee, this place is very important. So use it to produce a pivoting action, right? And 2, the same here, yes. Now, sometimes, of course, when you dance, sometimes you can, let's say, you can just on purpose collect, but it has to be designed by routine. So try it again, just from that spot. Right, now go walk, keep this foot, yes, here, right, and walk, especially this foot for you, should stay in the same spot. Now for you, Norma, your right foot will be important because you're going to change weight. Go 2, 30, 4, 1, and now slowly going forward. And 2, stay connected to this foot. And 3, stay connected to that foot. Finish it to the mark. And 4, 1. Very good. Slowly go 2. So you see, Noah, stay connected to that foot before you redirect. So you have to have a 2, and then you really redirect. And 30, and 4, 1. Yes, stay connected to the foot. Next one. And 2, going forward. 30, stay connected to this little spot on the floor. And go forward. 4, 1. Finish here. Right. You see, so step was too small. That's why you have to slide it. So next time, make more correct step. 2, now connect to this foot. And now you can slide it forward. 3, finish, stay connected to that back foot. And 4, 1, stay connected. 4, 1, 4, 1, finish this. Yeah, stay connected to here. Next one. And 2, stay connected to the back foot. And going back 30, and 4, 1. And next one, 2, twist, 2, next one, 30, next one. And now, so this foot for you will be very important, not to slide this one. Yeah, work from it. So you got here, you press, work from it. And then as you do your sit, try to keep your foot at the same spot, not slide it. It can look much more cleaner. And go, and 2, 30, 4, 1. Next one, and 2, this foot, 3, 4, 1, excellent. Next one, and 2, 30, and now pay attention to your back foot as you're opening here. 4, 1, great. Next one, turn, boom. So here for you, this will be extremely important. This foot position, go, stretch, right, one, go for the second one, right, all right, one more, next one, walk, walk, backward, excellent, keep your back foot, right, and here you have to change connection, next one, so now Rene, pay attention to this foot, next, go, and 2, do not slide this one, and 3, and 4, 1, excellent, next, turn, 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 now stay connected to this leg, yes, and go, and 2, and 30, and finish there, 4, 1, okay.